Hey guys, sorry I'm recording really late, but I've just been busy for the past few hours and I couldn't get to film, so yeah, this is what you got. So today I'm going to be doing a video of pouring my valentines on me. And if you want to see my box, it's filled. Yeah, so we're going to be pouring all that on me. Now, the sponsor of this video, now I've never done this, but the sponsor for this video is going to be the Colony Square Mall. Yeah, you should go check out the Colony Square Mall and go there and have fun. There's like 2 play places there. There's TJ Maxx there now. I don't know what happened. There's so much stuff going on in there. And also, this video idea is sponsored by 3 people. 3. Brooklyn Spencer, Madison Reyes, and Reddick Williams. So thank you to those 3 people who helped me make the idea for this video. Now, here's the real part. I've got to do something in order to make myself pour this on me. I gotta get this not blurry. Hopefully you guys can see. Can you see me? Hello? Alright, I think we're good. Alright, I gotta take out these scratch things. Let me just empty my box right now. Yeah, empty my box. Yeah, no? Yeah, we're not allowed to do that. We're not allowed to do a scratch off, so this stuff is off. That's off. Pencils, erasers. Did a fun dip just open? Did a fun dip? Did you open that though? Fun dip. No, I just accidentally opened the fun dip, I think. Maybe the red one. Which one was it? Was it you? Okay, no cardboard. Or else I'll, maybe. No hard candies like Dumbles. Yeah, none of that stuff. No, what the flip happened here? No cardboard, no strong suckers. No suckers. Yeah, no suckers. That's no. Plastic. No more candies like that. And this. This could injure me. No skateboard. Yeah, that I don't need right now. Vid. Alright, so I think that we're all good here. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, scratch off. Yeah, no scratch offs. This fun dip. I got a little bit of a mess, guys. Alright, if you want to see that mess that I made with the fun dip, there it is. I actually have no idea what happened. So, let's see. That is good. 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 I think we're all good. I think that we're all good. You guys think that we're all good? Yeah, those are the ones that I don't want to throw on me. Yeah, the fun dip. Yeah, that fun dip is getting a little bit crazy. So I'm going to put my glasses somewhere else so nothing else happens. So, and I want you guys to see me pouring this on me. Leave a like if you want me to do a house tour video. That'll be my next upcoming vid. And if we can get 100 likes on this video, I will literally... And every first comment will get pinned. And if I get 100 likes, I'll start uploading a video a day. And the reason there's a bigger screen is because I'm using my iPad. So let's put this stuff in. Okay, some stuff has gone crazy. Which fun did this do? Who did the fun dip? I'm not giving away fun dip anymore, guys.
So if you got a fun dip, that was the last fun dip that you get from me. It's on like 7 to 3. I'll start doing fun dip again. Ring pop. That's quite a bit. No racers, yeah. Alright, so who is ready? 3, 2. Wait, before we do this, let's see if you can do a 5-second subscribe challenge. This is sponsored by Collinsky, the 5-second subscribe challenge. I just copied him. So let's see if you can hit that subscribe button and hit the bell in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. If you guys did that, comment down below Hillard for a chance to win a free subscribe chance. I'll be picking 5 random people, and 1 lucky person will be the next person that makes this stuff up for the next video. All right, 3, 2, 1. That one actually way better than I thought. All right, no fun dips this time. We're gonna pour the rest on me. Oh gosh, I don't know how this is gonna feel. This is gonna be hard. All right, guys, do not try this at home if you're doing this. Do not try this at home. It's horrible. It's horrible. I hate this. I hate this right now. No. I have to pour pencils on me. I have to pull this. No fun dip is allowed in here. Oh, gumball! That's gonna hurt. Oh, this is all gonna hurt. Yeah. If I get injured, you guys gotta comment down below if I get injured. Help save Marcus if I get injured. Yeah. And there are 2 more. Alright, there we go. Alright, this may go unexpected. I actually may die from this. I'm going to do it this way. 3, 2, 1. Did you guys fall for that? Seriously? Comment down below. Oh gosh, I got fun dip. Never mind, don't comment down below that. Alright, if you guys are new, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to join the notification squad. And see you guys later. Also, leave a like. 100 likes, I'll do another video. 25 likes, I'll do another video. See you guys. Bye.